Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to check eligibility and claim your FHE tokens on Mind Network Airdrop. So you connect your wallet here. Use the wallet you used during the Airdrop campaign. Make sure that's the wallet you are using. You sign the transaction. It will open to BSC network, right? So you accept terms and condition, and then you move to check eligibility. It will require you to also sign a transaction. So always, basically, each activity will require you to sign a transaction. Okay, here I have 10 FHE tokens. This is my reward for participating in the Mind Network Airdrop interaction. These are the criteria, the airdrop rules. Now after that, you see pre-deposit to sex, you see claim on MindChain mainnet, then pre-deposit to sex. So you click on pre-deposit to sex. It takes you here. I'm going to use, there is BitGet, there is Gate.io, there is Hashkey and our Bit. Okay, but in this tutorial, of course, I'm going to withdraw to my BitGet account. So you need your user ID and the deposit address. Deposit address in this case is okay, this is the deposit address, this is my user ID, and you click submit, and you click submit here again. You allow it to load, and you sign the transaction here. Success, submit, successful. So you have submitted and you have completed your airdrop claiming to sex. So that is all for today's tutorial. I would see you in the next video. Thank you.